Hello, traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Wednesday, April 27th, 2011, and the market's up big. We have almost triple digits, ending the market at around 96 points on the Dow, up 0.76%. The S&P up 0.62%, Nasdaq up 0.78%. And then the Russell's up 0.62%. Banks doing fairly well at 0.7%. VIX dropping ever so slightly, 1.6%. Not too much of a drop here. Gold up big, 1.93% to the upside. Silver rally strong today, gang. And we have the US dollar down 0.66%, which did help out the markets quite a bit. Crude oil also up. So commodities as a whole up quite a bit today. And we have transportation index leading the charge yet again, up 0.87%. Well, hitting the news today was Ben Bernanke and the Fed boys coming out at 12:30 Eastern Standard Time, saying that they're going to hold still on the historical low interest rates, and that they would do that to help dig ourselves out of this huge hole we were in. However, they did say that they would start increasing those rates after a few more meetings. That was interesting news to see. And we also got news that the unemployment falls in 80% of large cities out there. Very interesting to see. Anyway, look at the S&P daily. We got a nice higher high, higher low, and we tagged that trend line. You can see the trend line coming up. It's the green line. Let me go back in time so you can see how we came about that trend line. We have support here, and that goes back to March. And then we come up here, support, and the end, January, and then support here going into March. And then first part of March support, then we break support, come up, then it acts as resistance here in late March, early April, and then we head up, and smack it today. And we touch that trend line, and the act as resistance came right back down. So tomorrow, I see a high possibility being 1358 to 1360. Those two areas will be strong areas of resistance. And the question is, will we stall out there? Will we get a trend reversal or a candlestick reversal pattern? And then will we drop from there? However, if we get a close over 1360, we will be overextended by a long ways. However, that would be quite bullish, gang, busting through these nice highs. Next area would be 1370, 1380 area. So that'd be something we're going to be watching for. Let me go here to the ES. Nice volume on the ES. Because yesterday frightened me a little bit. On the bull side, we had a nice pop over these highs, but the volume was nothing. However, volume today has picked up on this activity, which doesn't surprise me. Everyone's waiting for the Fed talk. But tomorrow's Thursday, pre-market, and this is going to happen about an hour before the market's even open. We're going to get news on the GDP. And we're thinking that we're going to see a little bit of a hit on the GDP, but it's anybody's guess how that will come out. All eyes will be on that number tomorrow, and it'll be interesting to see how the markets digest that and what we will get going into Thursday and then Friday. So, a quick look here at Nasdaq. Nasdaq really making some nice highs here. Russell's right here. I'm going to draw a line right here. So we're at a resistance point on the Russells. We're at a resistance point on the Russells. Be careful with the small caps, gang. We need to blast through that. Dow blasting, making some nice highs here. All is well. And SLW, this is Silver Wheaton. There's that big pop. Look at that. Crash, down, rising wedge, breaks down below all moving averages, and then boom, big pop to the rising 50-day moving average, acting as resistance. So keep an eye on our videos. We'll give you the very best and the latest of technical analysis. And if you haven't done so yet, you want to keep or connect with us on Facebook. Just go to facebook.com/groktrade. And throughout the day, anytime I see breaking news, we get it out there for you. So take care, safe trading. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning.